Okay guys, so today let's take a look at the logic timer entity, which is an entity you can use to get random events triggered at a certain interval, at certain times. So here in CS2 you can see that I use the logic timer to get this lightning effect that happens every so often, every so random amount of seconds. Here within Hammer I added the logic timer, which is a typical entity, and obviously on output is targeting those entities and those particle systems so that they start and they stop. But you can target anything, of course, sound, maybe certain objects that you want to be enabled or disabled for your sandbox maps. Basically, you can decide whether you want random time, which in this case is what I want, and the random maximum value. So sometimes the timer will be triggered after 2 seconds, after 3, after 4, or after 1 second. So you can play with these values. Now sometimes you don't want random time, so instead you want a fixed amount of seconds, so refire interval. If use random time isn't set, this is the time between timer fires in seconds. So maybe you want something to be fired every 5 seconds or every 10 seconds, so that's the way you would do it. But obviously refire interval is not used when you are enabling random time. And then the final option, how long to wait before firing the first time after the trigger is enabled. So negative values can be used to avoid waiting the longer random bound on spawn, or positive values to postpone the first event. So this is a very interesting entity. Obviously you can start disable and then enable it manually. And finally you have this flag, oscillator alternates between on timer high and on timer low outputs. Now I don't know what exactly that means. Read developer wiki, it says it will start with on timer low. All the odd numbered refires will be on timer low. Now honestly I don't know what it means or how to use this. And finally you have the inputs, the refire time. If you want to change the refire, you want to reset it, you want to force it to fire immediately, to be enabled and disabled, toggle, etc. That's what I did. I used it to get this effect of lightning playing in the background every so often. And tomorrow I'm going to be posting the video where I show you exactly how I created this effect. Thank you for visiting and see you tomorrow.